Hi, my name's Dave Braw. I'm Managing Director of Betterview Aluminium Windows and Doors. We're a company based in Sydney, Australia, and we supply and install aluminium windows and doors. Most of our work is with consumers, so it's important when we're contracting for those jobs that we have an official contract in place. And I was having complaints from definitely our installers who were on site, filling out paper with the customer that was a very lengthy procedure. So I was looking at options, was familiar with DocuSign through other business dealings, tax returns and things like that. So it struck me that it could potentially be a good solution for our contract also. So in the process of investigating how to use DocuSign, I did a little bit of a deep dive, had a look at implementing it myself, but was having issues. So from a time-saving point of view, that's a typical thing that where possible, I'll look and see if someone's available to outsource it to outsource it to an expert rather than me spending potentially days on a project like that. So I researched potential companies to outsource it to, and during that research, I found SoluSign, who just struck me as the most suitable company to do that. So I had an initial discussion with Sophia. The process was amazingly simple from my point of view. We had one kickoff meeting. The end solution, the end result was amazing. A couple of minor changes, and we were off and running in a very short space of time. So overall, amazingly happy. It's been a very simple process, and we've had a couple of edits since then. An alternative contract as well, and again, just the response has been amazing. So yes, very happy.